Hello everyone, welcome to our session. This clip will discuss the topic UML, which stands for the Unified Modeling Language. So what is UML in the first place? UML is a general-purpose modeling language, which means that it's a visual language rather than a programming language. But what does it aim for? The goal of UML is to define a standard way to visualize how a system was designed. This is how it should look like. The first section represents the class name, and the second one shows the attributes which are called variables either. The last section represents the operations or methods. Also, remember that the plus refers to public and the minus refers to private, and the hash shows that it's protected. Let's discuss the following example. The class name here is student. I added three variables which are the private string name, private string ID and private double GPA. For the methods I added a default constructor, and an initializing constructor, two getters for the name and the ID and one setter for the GPA. And finally a toString method to put everything in place. After studying the UML, we can write everything that was included in the diagram. Starting with the class name, then the three variables that were discussed earlier. After that I wrote the methods in the following order: default constructor, initialization constructor, two getters, one setter, and the toString method. And now we are done. We did a great job together. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and start working in the diagram. Welcome back. Let's discuss the diagram and check if you did it the right way. First, the class name is car as shown in the upper part. In the second section we can see that it contains two variables, private string brand and private double price. And from the last section we conclude that we have a default constructor, initialization constructor, getters and setters for both the string brand and the double price. And finally the toString method. After reading the design, we will start by writing the class name as we did previously, and then declaring the variables as shown in the second part. After that we will add both of the default constructor with the default values and the initialization constructor. Then you should start writing the getters and setters for both of the given attributes. Finally, don't forget to write the toString method including all the variables inside it. And that's how you define a designed system from a UML diagram. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.